Every year we have many holidays, but the most important one for Vietnamese people is Tet Holiday. While Europeans and Americans celebrate the Gregorian New Year, Vietnamese people celebrate the Lunar New Year. Regardless of religion, age, or financial status, whether old or young, rich or poor, everyone enjoys Tet Holiday ***. On the day before Tet, everyone is busy cleaning their house and garden and decorating their home. Mothers are often busy shopping for food, cakes, fruits, and more. Children help their parents tidy up the house and wash dishes. Everyone has his own tasks. The symbolic flower in southern Vietnam is the apricot blossom, while in northern Vietnam it is the peach blossom. Therefore, southern Vietnamese buy apricot blossoms, and northern Vietnamese buy peach blossoms to decorate their homes for Tet. In New Year's Eve, no one is asleep. Family members gather around the fire to watch the pot of square sticky rice cakes cooking and share stories of the past and present. On the first day of the Lunar New Year, adults visit relatives and friends to offer New Year wishes. Children wear new clothes and receive lucky money in red envelopes. Rich people often travel to famous places, while poorer families celebrate Tet in their own neighborhoods. However, no one feels sad or disappointed. Tet is considered a time for family, an opportunity for everyone to be together, reflect on family traditions, and celebrate Vietnamese customs.